Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today we have a 2019 Honda Core Hybrid. So we have a spare tire kit I want to show you. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon when you be notified when new videos. And really appreciate a thumbs up, that helps me out quite a bit. So first of all, we're going to see what's in the Honda Core Hybrid first. In the Honda Core Hybrid you have basically the gasoline nozzle, the tire inflator kit, and a lot of compartments. It's a very big foam compartment. It also has a notch to fit a spare tire, but the foam compartment kind of locks. So for the hybrid, you actually could use a spare tire, just like the Honda Accord. But Honda doesn't have a kit yet, so at least the recording, at the time of the recording, there's no kit made by Honda, but you actually could still buy this thing from your parts department. So it's not a total loss. So there's a way to go around it, because I think that's the biggest complaint that I'm seeing, including myself. I don't have a spare tire. What happens? Something goes wrong, my tire goes flat. The dealers helped me put a parts list out. So this is the parts list that came with. So you see the different items: the toolbox, the bar jack, the wrench, W disc, the adapter, the bolt, and of course the tire. One thing to note: if you're buying the tire over the internet, it's going to be quite expensive. So the shipping, that's the part that makes the price get inflated. So keep that in mind. My local dealer helped me out with my order, and I thought I'd share this thing to help everybody out there as well looking for a spare tire. The cost is more than $400.
Tire? That's a whim.
Okay, so that's my spare tire. I'd rather have a new spare tire than a used one, but you kind of buy a used one as well, as long as it's in good shape, because you're not going to be using it for long term, hopefully. So now we're going to unwrap the toolbox, like they were saying. It's really a foam compartment. So that's the part number if you're looking for it. That's one of the main pieces. You have to have a place to put it. I already cut the paper already in here. It's a little bit noisy on the camera, so I'm going to take it out. Notice this foam compartment is smaller than the one that came with the hybrid, which is fine. It works. Notice all the openings are already made for you for the different components. On the lower right, details you that's the front pointing that direction, so you put it in that way. Okay, so they will fit correctly. Of course, I already removed everything from my vehicle, and this is the jack. That's the part number. It's important to have a jack. There's also other components you need: the nut bar. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to start out with the disc over here, and also this adapter, I think it's called. And you have to screw the thing down really tight, as clockwise. Okay. Let's see how far I could go. I don't want to make this video on how to tighten a tire. But before you do this thing, you have to have the tire centered. Keep that in mind. You have to have it centered all the way through, and so the hole is going to match. And notice the trunk also doesn't fit a full-size spare, so that's going to be something. If you have a full-size spare, it won't fit. So I'm just going to finish it up later. This thing, I think there's a little bit ways to go. Tighten it a little more, I guess, as needed. So I went ahead and populated the toolbox. So you can see the nut opener, the jack handle, and here's the jack itself. You notice it's not that big, right? And all these components are not that heavy by the way, so I don't think it's going to add a whole lot of weight to your car. I think the tire is it weighs a little bit, and that's the part number. So I'm not sure it's going to really affect too much about the MPG, but I do want to point that out. I left the wrapping on the jack because I don't want to clean it or anything like that. It probably has grease as well too. So that's pretty much it. You see the tires on the bottom and this foam compartment, or otherwise referred to as the toolbox, I guess. And everything you need. I even threw in the gas nozzle as well. So from my other when we came with the video, the car. Another bonus, I guess. I threw in a window washer, scraper, and some flares just in case there any emergency. Always good to have those. Putting together a toolkit. I got the wrench and the screwdriver, and also an emergency kit as well. I also have my measuring tape, and extra water filter, and microfiber. So please comment below if you want to think I should add some more stuff for emergency kit. Of course, I don't want to carry a lot of them to increase the weight, but I do want to have enough. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you out. I'll post more details in the description below and what components that I purchased. Hope you subscribe.